careful, careful. Beautiful ocean in Arizona, right? Yeah. Let's go, let's go. All right, and beautiful mountains. Go down that way.
Let's go, guys.
Yeah, let's go, guys.
Uncle.
Yeah.
The car.
Oh, yeah, I see.
I
see. See? You like that? Okay, babe, go in front. I video you guys.
Hey guys.
Hey, say something, babe.
We are in that, but we don't have any boats.
Not right now. Maybe later. Maybe later, right?
We're in Lake Pleasant.
Lake
We're
Placid.
gonna join someone else.
I know, right?
Let's go.
Let's go, guys. Hey, be careful.
Yeah.
Careful.
This way.
Car. Watch out, guys.
What's up?
Yeah?
What's up? What's up, guys? I feel like this. Look, I feel like this. What's up, homie? What's up, homie? Let's go, homie.
Wow, beautiful, beautiful. You guys first time here?
Yeah, I got my food.
Yeah? You like those motorcycles? Yeah.
Hey, that brown is so ugly. I like the brown one.
Yeah?
I like the black one. Oh, you
Really?
like the black one.
Down here. Oh, down here. What can I go down here? Or we can make shortcuts here.
No, that's it.
Right there? You see? Here, shortcut is good. Here. Come on, shortcut here. Come on. Oh, guys, look at that. Look at that. Yeah? I see you. See you, babe. Yeah?
Yeah, boy. What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up, guys?
What's up? What's up? Come on.
What's
Go,
up?
Go, 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 go. What's up? Go.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go here.
Let's go see the big ocean, right?
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Whoa.
Wait. What are you doing? Drop it. You drop it, man. Come on, drop it. Let's go. Let's go further here. Come on, guys. Come on, let's see the ocean. Let's see the blue ocean, guys. Come on. Let's see the blue ocean, guys. Come on. Wow. Beautiful blue ocean, right? Big blue ocean here. Yeah? Be careful, okay? Careful, okay?
I'm going.
Okay, be careful, okay?
Daddy, come. I'm scared.
Daddy, come.
You come. I'll go.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh, careful. Jumbo, careful, okay? Say careful, okay? Oh, I know. Is it the first time you see the water?
I see ducks.
This is the first time you see the water?
Yeah.
Wow, you see that, guys?
Fresh water.
Fresh water, guys. Here.
I'm gonna take out everything.
Yeah.
Daddy, I'm gonna take out everything.
Show me your hairstyle.
I don't like it.
Why you don't like it?
Daddy.
Oh, look. Beautiful, beautiful, right? Guys, look at me here. Say something.
Daddy,
Guys, say something.
I got no mask.
Guys,
I'm gonna go for swimming.
guys, say something. Okay, take out your shirt. Take out your shirt. Okay, take out everything, okay?
That's everything.
Yeah, take out
everything.
everything.
Careful there. Hey, duck.
Hey, okay, show me your shirt. I want to see your shirt, the logos. And say something. And if you guys like my video, what you have to say? You don't know. Subscribe or what?
Subscribe and like.
Mhm.
Whoa.
And share?
Whoa. It's cold.
It's cold, I know, right?
Oh.
Faye,
It's cold.
I know, told you that.
Can I still on it?
Yeah, sure.
Can I still on it? Oh no.
不然那靠必须的把的，
So
那来老的。Oh my goodness, 靠必须的把的。I'm gonna take off my shoes and
Me too.
jump in the water too.
You gonna jump in the water?
I do like the water. Oh, look at the ducks.
Oh, it's so deep. Oh no. Oh. Holy. Yeah, deep. Holy. You look good.
Oh, you see, guys? Beautiful Arizona.
It's cold.
This is very, very beautiful.
3, 2, 1.
This area is here in Lake Plaza City in Arizona.
Yo.
Look at people doing fishing. What are you guys doing in there? You guys like here?
Cool.
Cool?
You say we can join the boat, right?
Yeah. Wow. Look. See something? Now you are in the water. You play with the water right now?
Oh, that's cold.
I know, I told you that. Told you that.
What?